Nom nom nom. Oi. Greetings, beautiful people. Thank you for dropping by. Today we are making coconut pudding. We tried it for the first time and the recipe turned out to be insane level yummy. So let's share the recipe with you. Start by taking a coconut and chop it into smaller pieces. You can also grate the coconut. Further, add those pieces in the mixer because we have to grind it, and while grinding we have to add water. So this is the cup that we are going to use for the measurement part. Now after the first cycle of grinding, we've added the first cup of water. After the second cycle, we've added the second cup of water. After the third cycle, we've added half more cup of water, and then the final cycle of grinding, and this is the final mixture. Now we are supposed to strain this mixture using a clean cloth. And there we have our freshly prepared coconut milk. This is the ingredient that we require in the pudding, freshly prepared coconut milk. Now take half cup of that milk aside. Take some arrowroot powder and add 2 spoonfuls of arrowroot powder to this half cup of coconut milk. Mix it all really well. Now take rest of the coconut milk in a pan and put it on medium flame. Now add sugar in it according to your taste, and then let it boil with occasional stirring. Once there is boiled, turn the flame to low, and now comes the most important step. Now slowly we have to add that arrowroot powder mixture into this boiled milk slowly and with constant stirring. Do not leave the motion or else there might be lumps formation. So make sure you're constantly mixing it, and after you have added all that mixture, you have to cook it for next 2 more minutes and then it will be done. Note the consistency here, it shouldn't be too thick, it shouldn't be too runny. Now take your molds and grease them with oil or ghee. And finally take the mixture and pour it into the molds. Now can you see that empty pink mold in between? Well, we decided something special for it. So in the rest of the mixture, we added our homemade organic red food color because we wanted the rest of the mixture to be pink. Okay, so moving on, we have to let them cool till they attain the room temperature, and then you have to keep it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1.5 to 2 hours. And they're all ready. Now we have some really great visuals ahead for you. So I'll leave you alone with them. Enjoy the visuals. The taste is literally flawlessly delicious. It is just insane level yummy. I think it is a must try dessert, especially in these hot summers. This is wow. Now the pudding has got something to say to you. If you enjoyed my recipe, please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Stay happy, stay blessed.